This is Unit 1, Lesson 7, and I'm on page 18. You'll notice at the top it says find the mistake. It says when you add, it is important that you add digits in like places. Look at these addition exercises. What mistakes do you see happen in these three exercises? Notice how extremely important it is to line up my numbers. So this one right here, I can tell I did not bring my number all the way over to the ones. So therefore, I'm not adding it correctly. The one in the middle, my top number is not in the right place. It doesn't matter which number I put on top for addition. The most important thing to make sure is that digits are lined up. So my 8 should be over here above my 9. And same thing on the last one, my 6 needs to move over to be under the 2. Like digits need to be in the same place. Okay, so we're going to practice aligning those places, and you can see we've got some problems. You can choose to write the bigger number on top. It actually really does not matter, although they say that it's a lot easier to write the bigger number on top and then match up the bottom, or the smaller number. So look at number 3. 83,291 plus 156. So I'm going to write my bigger number out. 83. And I don't write my numbers really close together. And I choose to do that so that I have nice spacing when I come through and add my other number. So I know that I have a 6, a 5, and a 1. When I'm adding them up, I make sure that my numbers line up to the ones place. So I know 1 plus 6 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, my answer is 83,447. Again, making sure I'm lining them up. Look at number 5. 135,826 plus 2,927. So again, I'm going to write my bigger number on top just to make it easier on myself. Do a pretty good job spacing out my numbers. I almost pretend that there's graph paper on my paper. And then I want to match up starting on the ones. So I'm going to match up my 7 and my 2 and a 9 and another 2. And notice how each time I went back and checked so that I can check and make sure my numbers are correct. Okay, we have 6 plus 7, which is 13. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry my 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. Don't forget my comma. 135,000 plus 826. Sorry. 135,826 plus 2,927 results in 138,753. Look at number 7. 697,084 plus 15,231. I can also just take this number and move it under this number. And I can still make it vertical without having to rewrite the entire problem. So notice again, I'm just going to come over here. I have a 1. This is where my handwriting has to be very neat. A 3, 2, 5, 1. So I can add right under the other number as well. 4 plus 1, I know is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 5, 12. 9, 10, 11, 7. You'll notice I'm doing the new groups above as I'm adding. Okay, again, you choose whichever way works best for you. Okay, go ahead and now do on your own numbers 2, 4, and 6. This is the end of Unit 1, Lesson 7.